Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you figure out the solution on how you can do that on your iPhone. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, you just click on settings here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your settings. It's going to show for you like this here. So then you go down, you just keep going down here. Click here on general here, just click on it. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Then you go down here, you click here on language integration, just click on it. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. So then you click here on first day of week, you just click on it, and here you select first day of week here in this list. So that's all you have to do. That's all. I wish you I get it. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.